So today we're making this video about the most popular accessory for Royal Enfield 650 twins, and that is the S&S slip-on mufflers. This is 50 state compliant emissions product, and it's available exclusively through Royal Enfield dealers. Okay, with the S&S pipes you get improved horsepower and torque. They're smooth, one-piece styling, brushed stainless steel finish, and has a removable decibel reducer. It has a deep performance exhaust note and durable due to its stainless steel construction. And we're going to fire them up. We're going to show you one with the baffles in, and then we're going to show you one where the customer is taking the baffles out. So stay tuned just a second. Okay, so this is the bike that has the baffles in it. We just put them on for the customer, and my assistant Felix here is going to fire it up and rev it up for you. So that's the stock with the baffles. Then we'll go to the next one. Okay, so here's the bike that the baffle's been removed. So there you go, there's your comparison. This Royal Enfield GT has the baffles in it. This Royal Enfield INT has had the baffles removed by the owner. And we can't do it at the dealership, but you can do it yourself. It's very easy to do. S&S exhaust products for Royal Enfield 650s are only available at an authorized Royal Enfield dealer. So please contact us at Marks Motorsports at 860-741-5115, and we'd be happy to arrange for this great product to be installed on your Royal Enfield.